How to get voice chat in Roblox. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Roblox on your device and make sure that you are signed in. Now, tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen, and in the menu that appears, tap on settings again. Further, from the left side toolbar, you will see the option for privacy and content restrictions. Tap on that and then tap on the communication option. Further, tap on the experience chat option you see there, and you will see the option for direct chat. However, you will not be able to enable direct chat without verifying your age. So firstly, go ahead and tap on the on radio button under experience chat, and you will receive a pop-up for verifying your age. So tap on the continue button you see there, and then go ahead and follow the on-screen prompts in order to verify your age. Once you have verified your age, you will be able to tap on the radio buttons there. So go ahead and tap on the on radio button for both experience chat and direct chat, and with this, direct chat on Roblox will be enabled, as you can see here. So this was about how you can get voice chat in Roblox. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.